Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and the game keeps crashing and you keep getting this error, the game crashed unexpectedly, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this crash report tool error on Pragmata easily. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So just open up your web browser and then I'm going to show you AMD first. Afterwards I'll show you Intel and NVIDIA. You're going to go on to AMD.com, click resources and support and then drivers here, and then you're going to scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, and then select your graphic card series along with the model. Click submit, select your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers. Now I'll show you Intel. You're going to go on to intel.com and now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to support here and then you're going to click on to download center. You're going to scroll down and click on to graphics here and then you're going to wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, you're going to search for your graphic card driver here. So Intel Arc B580, you're going to search for it, download the latest Intel Arc graphic drivers. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to go on to nvidia.com, click on to drivers here, and then you're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So just select your graphic card along with the series and your model, and once you're done with all of those, you're going to select your operating system and then click find, and it will find the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for you. Once it's done finding the drivers, now you're going to download the drivers and install them. Once you're done with installing the drivers, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Pragmata, go into properties, go into install files, and then click verify and target your game files here. Once you do that, it will verify your game's files, and once it's done with the verification, now when you try to play Pragmata, you'll see that you will not get that crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.